welcome to another online business realm video. If you haven't done so already, please don't forget to click the subscribe button to stay up to date with everything we have going on here at the channel. So for today's Freedom Friday video, as you recall, our Freedom Friday videos are meant to show you how to become an entrepreneur, how to make money online, and bust out of the rat race. Today we're going to be looking at a method by which you can buy domains for very cheap and resell them for super expensive prices. Now, it's important to note that this is a long-term strategy. If you are looking for something that you're going to be able to quit your job with tomorrow, then this is not going to be the strategy for you. But if you are looking for something that you can invest in now, slowly but surely find the right investment points, and down the road be able to reap the benefits and have a lot of money coming in, then this just might be the method for you. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be buying domains on GoDaddy, and we are going to be reselling them through GoDaddy's premium domain service. So what we're going to do is we're going to search a local business type in my town. So we're going to look for plumbers in Gainesville, Georgia. As you can see, of course, there are a lot of listings. You have your Google AdWords up here, and then you have your organic listings, which include the maps. So what we're going to do, we're going to click More Places here. And when we click on one of these, up here to the right, information about this business is going to pop up. Now, the key part here is to look to see if they have a website. So what we're doing is we're going to go through here until we can find a local plumber that does not have a website. Sometimes you got to go through several of them, but here's one, Whitmire Plumbing and Electric. Let's see if there are more. Ingram Plumbing Contractors, Mr. Rooter, Jordan and Sons Plumbing, J&G Contractors. So as you can see, there are a lot of different plumbers that do not have websites. They probably get their business off of their truck or word of mouth. But as we all know, most people are looking for a place that has a website. If you think about the way that you search, especially the newer generation, millennials and younger, the first thing you do is you go to Google and you look at their website. So I would say most people who would use this company would call, but there is a huge amount of people that would not, simply because they don't have a website. And as you can see, they don't even have a phone number here. So I don't know if this is a big business. I don't know if this business is out of business, but it doesn't really matter. What we're looking for is we are just looking for businesses that do not have websites. So what we're going to do now is we're going to come over here to GoDaddy, and we are going to type in jngcontractors.com. I've already pre-searched this one, if you couldn't tell. And wow, look. jngcontractors.com is available for $1,595. As you notice, after that, it's $14.99 a year. So what you're doing here, if you bought this, is you are buying the rights to this domain. And then, of course, after you have the rights, then you just pay the normal amount per year. You can think about it kind of like almost a PSL in football, where you have, if you have season tickets, you have to buy your seat, and then you have to pay for your tickets. So this is a premium domain. Now, I got curious, and I said, okay, well, what if I just typed in jgcontractors.com? And boom. This one's even more expensive, $1,995, also part of the premium domain service. So my whole point in showing this specific one to you is to say that someone has already actually beaten us to this domain here. So let's suppose that we had gone here and this JG Contractors was available. Well, we would only have to pay $14.99 for it. And it's also important to note, when you do this, pretty much only do .coms, okay? And you're just going to pay $15 for this domain. You're going to store it in your account, and then you are going to list it through GoDaddy through their premium domain service. So next week, we're going to be doing an actual tutorial on how you take a domain, purchase it, add it to your account, and then list it with GoDaddy premium domains. But the important part from today is for you guys to understand that this is a very lucrative business. People are making a 1,000% markup. If you look at this price at $15.95, and that's not even counting the one that was $1,900. At $15.95, you're buying this for $14.99. That's a 1,000 over a 1,000% markup. Now, some of these are going to sit in your account for maybe even years, but all it's going to take, if you think about it, is a very small amount of these to sell, and you can make a huge profit. If you were to say put $1,500 into buying domains, then it's reasonable to think that you could start making money with them pretty quickly. Now, another thing that you can do is not only buy the domain and let it sit in your account and list it on the premium listing, but of course, this one that we looked up did not have a phone number. But after you buy the domain, and some people may think this is a little slimy, so this may not be your cup of tea, but after you buy the domain, you call the company and you say, hey, I have this domain. It's for sale right now. It's jgcontractors.com. It'd be very easy for you to build a website. I know you don't have one. And who knows, maybe they'll even let you build the website for them. But that's a good way to make extra money buying domains and reselling them on the premium listing with GoDaddy. And also how to market and call these people and advertise that you have these domains for them is another way to really increase your sales and your conversions. So this is a way that you can definitely make some passive income on. Of course, with some of our other Freedom Friday methods, you don't necessarily have to have money to start them. With this one, of course, you have to have the money to buy the domains. So if you think this is something you might be interested in or you have questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, hit like on the video. Don't forget to subscribe so you can catch all of our Freedom Friday videos and everything else we do here at the channel. So until next time, get out there and make some money.